Previously on In My Backyard.
Miguel took us to El Bosque, which means the forest. We got stuck waiting for road repair. We ended up on a very steep, rough road, and our journey concluded at a beautiful eco-hotel called Los Micos. Good morning. So it is 6:47 in the morning. Had an amazing sleep last night. Woke up to birds chirping this morning. You could hear frogs and crickets and all kinds of stuff last night. So today's going to be a different day. So rather than riding, we're going to go on a boat tour. And we're just going to get some instructions here from Juan in terms of how to get to where we need to go. So it should be an exciting day. We've got huevos, and I'm not sure, I think it might be cheese, and some little croissants, and some hot chocolate. Bon appetito. Alright, here we are working our way down the steps to the first boat that's going to take us to a dock. We've been instructed to buy some water shoes because they said that our shoes are not adequate. And then from there, we're going to catch another dock to another boat to go down the river. Hola, buenos días.
Buenos días, ¿cómo está?
Muy bien, muy bien.
Alegra, bien pueda.
Okay, here we go.
¿Estamos gorditos o qué?
All good. You got your bag?
Aquí está.
What's up? You got your bag? Okay,
Listen to the Indian transmission.
yeah?
I really think you need one of these in Port Alberni with a cover.
Yeah,
in the
exactly.
rain.
We can start a new service.
Glasses delivery service by Tuk Tuk.
Totally. We can run people up and down the Harbor Key to down Aerosmith.
Totally.
We're in a studio in Medellin para Costa. Nuevos días. Blank Spanish. Es muy bueno.
I'm waiting.
Nosotros estamos viajando a Colombia en las motos para 2 semanas. Sí. Canadá, la isla de Vancouver, la Colombia británica. Mi amigo es de Alaska.
Universally known.
Yeah, Rio.
Canada doesn't get that label. Persona de Bogotá, de casa.
Arriba de un muchacho de acá, pero de la casa donde
Ah.
Hay muchos pajeros, los ricos. Amarillos, azul, negro, roja.
Martín, un momentico, Martín. Un momentico, Martín. Señor. Señor.
Gracias.
Ya estamos allá.
Ok.
De Granada, el pueblo, van a hacer unas fotos los muchachos. Y ya. Vicios.
6,000 personas
No, estamos en el pueblo.
en locación.
Usted me llamó a mí, dijo que ya estaban bajando. Yo me fui y recogí a mí y bajamos. Ya estamos en el pueblo. Ya estamos en el pueblo. Ya tienen que estar con todas las cosas. Estamos acá. Dígale a Marcela que ya estamos en el pueblo. Dígale que vamos a ir a comprar una partida de ellos. Las que necesitan.
Para lo que iba a ir para que tío de Huila, Cúcuta, ya en Bogotá hablan rolos, ese, el acento, cambia el tono de voz.
Okay. Un medio pequeño.
Este es un 2, dele un 41, espere, este amor,
Yo creo que le queda bien.
41, 42,
41.
ya estaba muy pequeño, es que eso también como, depende de las marcas.
No se le quedó. Es 41,
Sí, let's try. Perfecto.
se le quedó bien.
Ujú.
Vea,
Muy bien.
párese. Good enough.
I think it'll work. Yep. See,
Sí,
G. And that is
seguro.
41.42.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
41.
70 los dos.
Los dos, 70,000.
60.
For both? Sí.
Okay. Unload. Okay, now to find the boat. Whew.
I'm not sure what the helmet before, but I like it. Not because I want helmet, it just means it has to get more exciting than that.
Exactly. Well, we're off to a good start. I'm ready to go. I got a whole audience watching me here. Hopefully the GoPro doesn't fall apart. I think I'll just hang on to it when I take my leap. Alright, here we go.
Caliente queda ese bikini, bebé. Contigo yo me voy sin bikini.
Okay, so now we're floating down the river. Trying not to hit the rocks. On the way down. Whew. There we go. I'll work on here.
Y perdió la lechuza, hermano. Perdió la lechuza.
Ah, perfecto, muy caliente. Whoa. You go deep all of a sudden.
Sweeper.
Relax.
Okay, now we're floating again.
Relax.
I think I'm gonna pee so I can warm.
Not seeing Los Manos yet. I think I'm running out of water.
I'm in the shallows,
Yeah.
so I'm fast, but I might drag ass. Let's see how it goes. Trying to stay afloat.
Yeah. It's interesting, huh? Just kind of hanging on.
Yeah.
So this guy here is to measure the water levels. So if they get some flooding, they get a chance to warn the locals. Look at this tree. All these vines hanging off. Very cool. We got a gravel mining operation. And it's actually all done by hand. Back down the river. Hey, don't put your hand down there.
What's that?
How do you get up?
Stand up.
Whew. It's strong. There we go. All good. Way back. Alright, well, we just jumped off the bridge twice, and the other two operator got a video of us as well.
That's the best boat trip ever. Egg, chorizo, rice, plantain.
Oh, very cool. So I guess the banana leaf just keeps it warm. That's good.
Well, so it doesn't burn it, so they put it in the fire.
Oh, the whole thing goes in. I see. Okay. Very cool. Hey, Chumba. That was a really fun day, so got to really enjoy the river and have a great day just relaxing. And tomorrow's our last day of riding, so we're just going to enjoy the remainder of the day here and pack up so that we can leave early tomorrow and make it back to Medellin. So I've got a flight out the next morning at 6 a.m. So if you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel.